right. Yeah, even more left. Yeah, yes. It's a May, but it's a beautiful zebra. And it's perfectly broadside. Shoot it in that Admiral. You want me to do it? If you're happy. Take your time, breathe, squeeze the trigger. You see that one, the second one from the right in the gap? It looks like a stadium to me. It's looking at us. Go more right. I don't think so. I'm right on him. He's got one behind him, right? Yeah, there's one behind him. If that one clears. Nope. I think that one needs to clear. I understand. Yep. If you're ready. The one by the tree. Yes, facing to the right. You ready? Ready. Just watch him. Just wait, don't. He's done. He's done. He's done. What? What a hunt. Whoops. Hit him again. No. He's hot shot. You've hot shot him. You've hot shot him right in the heart. I saw the point. Damn. That was fun. No, I'm not worried.
I'm joking.
No.
I really wish everyone would shoot like that. That is textbook. Totally you smoking dead center.
Wow.
A beautiful afternoon here on the border of Botswana, and we've managed to have a successful hunt. We had a fantastic hunt. Sat with the zebra for about 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And they were milling around. There were a lot of zebra. There were about 30 zebra, and we were trying to pick out a stallion. Eventually we managed to, and he still wouldn't give us a shot, and he went away, and we weren't very sure. And yeah.
Good job, Nick.
Thank you.
I need to pull this foot out also. Did Romain shoot any zebra this time? No. He didn't. You should have seen the other the photo he did with the zebra last time. It was here. It was insane. That man is crazy. What did you do? No. Oh, no.